Yeah, hi, this is for Saludos in Mexico. It's Market FMAV. Okay, so this is your original part that you sent me. Okay, this is your original part that you sent. Okay, so basically what I've done here is I've checked the micro switch. I've given that a good clean for you. I've checked your cogs. I've given them a good clean for you. I've checked the board just to make sure there's nothing wrong there. That's all good. I've put a new laser in there, and I've had this on play for several hours now, and it's working as it should be. So you shouldn't get any more issues with that one. So that's your one there. That's your one. So what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to mark number 2 on there. Okay, so you can see that. So that's your one there. So that's, you got a 6-month warranty on that one, on parts. Obviously just on the laser. So if anything goes wrong with that laser, I'll repair that free of charge for you. Right. Okay. Also, as well, you wanted some rubber feet. So I've got these rubber feet for you, and they just clip in the back. In all honesty, they're all exactly the same. There's no difference whatsoever. So I'm guessing that's what you need. And yeah, you wanted some backlights, these lights here, so I will be putting them in for you as well. Okay, so you got 4 backlights as well. So thank you very much.